Hi guys, we're going to keep using the coin counting book to help us learn how to count money. This time today, you're going to need 10 pennies, 2 nickels, and 1 dime. Can you pause this video and see if you can find 10 pennies, 2 nickels, and 1 dime? When you've got it, come back and bring it to the table. All right, do you have all your money? The last time we read this book, we were counting by ones to get 5. So we were looking for 5 cents. This time we're going to be looking for 10 cents. So let's see what the book says now. Let's count our 5 pennies just one more time. If we add 5 more pennies, we'll have... let's find out. So go ahead and get your pennies and let's get out our 5 pennies that we had the last time we did this book. Ready? Count 5 pennies with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there's our 5 pennies. Now the book wants to know what happens if we add 5 more pennies. So let's count 5 more. I'm going to put mine above or below my other pennies so it looks like a 10 frame. Here we go. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Let's see what the book says next. The book wants us to add all of our pennies together. Who can remind me, how much is a penny worth? A penny is worth 1 cent. So let's count by ones to see how much money we have. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How much money do we have? 10 cents. Now let's look at the book. We have all of our pennies lined up just like they do, but at the end, they have a different coin. Who knows what this coin is called? Do you remember? That's right, it's a dime. And how much is a dime worth? It's worth 10 cents. Okay, so we can have 10 cents by having 10 pennies, or we can have 10 cents by having 1 dime. Can you pick up your dime? It's the one with the face on the one side and the trees on the other side. See if you can find your dime. Okay, now we have to find another way to make 10 cents. So go ahead and clear your pennies to the side and let's see what else our book says. What else equals a dime or 10 cents? 5 pennies and 1 nickel. Makes perfect math sense. Okay, so now it says we need 5 pennies and 1 nickel, and that should make 10 cents. So let's count 5 pennies. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there's our 5 pennies, and then we need 1 nickel. So get your nickel, and who remembers how much is 1 nickel worth? That's right, it's 5 cents. So when we're counting our money, let's start with what's worth 5 cents and then count by ones. It'll make it a little bit easier. Ready? We're going to go 5 because of a nickel, and then do 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how much money do we have? That's right, we have 10 cents again. So when we have 5 pennies and 1 nickel, it equals 10 cents. And which one of our coins equals 10 cents again? That's right, it's a dime that equals 10 cents. So go ahead and get your dime. Here it is. So if we want to pay for something that's 10 cents, we could get 5 pennies and 1 nickel and give it to them like that. Or, like we just did, we could have 10 pennies to equal 10 cents. Pretty cool. All right, there's one more way to make 10 cents. I'm going to give you a minute. See if you can guess what you need to make 10 cents. You need 2 coins to make 10 cents. Okay, let's see what the book says. There's one more way to make a dime. Put down 2 nickels, 1 at a time. All right, so let's find our 2 nickels. Is this what you were thinking? Here's 1 nickel and another nickel. So I have my 2 nickels right in front of me. And who can remember, how much is a nickel worth? It's worth 5 cents. So we should probably count by 5s. What do you think? Let's count by 5s to see how much money we have. Ready? 5, 10. So 2 nickels equals 10 cents. Wow! There are so many ways to make 10 cents. So let's say we go to the store this time and we want to get an ice cream treat. And the ice cream treat is worth 10 cents. If you have 10 pennies, you can buy it. If you have 5 pennies and 1 nickel, you can buy it. Or if you have 2 nickels, you can buy it. And the last one is, if you have 1 dime, you have 10 cents. And you can still buy it. So there's all kinds of ways for us to make 10 cents. Whoa, I wonder what we're going to work with next in our video. Come back to see more.